We got perfect trading strategy here with Olymp trade, and got consistent daily winning trades with the use of these two trading indicators. We used two exponential moving averages. We got first EMA, which colored yellow line of a period of 60, and with the second EMA with a period of 30. These two exponential moving averages helps us identify trend market movements. We got our main indicator here, which is the XProfit indicator. It provides trading signals for our 1-minute trading reversal method. These two EMA and the XProfit got good combination on our success in trading. Let's wait for the XProfit indicator in the MetaTrader 4 platform to pop up. We received AUD CAD, a buy alert confirmation. Take a look at the trend here. It goes full down at almost triple its normal downtrend. As we can see with our 2 EMA, it already crosses at this spot here. Make sure that the blue line is at the bottom of the yellow line. With a potential uptrend state here, let's trade for this going up, and having our reversal spot here, hoping that we can win on this. Unfortunately, we got no win or loss on that. We will wait for another alert signal. Take a look at this, GBP USD a sell alert confirmation. And as we can see here, the two EMA are crossing, and a good spot here to trade going down. The trend goes up, hoping for a win on this. The trend goes down, and a high chance to get a win on this trade. And got good trading result on that.